How to claim Robux and please donate on Roblox mobile on iPhone and Android. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox, then open the game Please Donate. After you enter the game, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, simply go to any stall. After you go to any stall, you will find this kind of. In here, you can click on stand and your stand will be in here if you have made Game Pass. After you're done, you can also click on pink gift box. In here, you can add your username and donate to people outside as a gift. And this is how to claim Robux and please donate on Roblox mobile and Android and phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.